Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And interesting, in the past few days, a website called the Internet Archive has been pretty much victim of a huge distributed denial of service attack, which is a lot of requests, a lot of computers and devices asking requests for the website, but that just is overloading the servers. And so it's been off and on for several days now, which is kind of interesting. And kind of wonder, why is the Internet Archive attacked? I mean, it's a fairly, it doesn't really have to do with any big companies or anything. It's really just a nice way to simply have an archive of pictures and books and videos and all sorts of things that come from the web. So I'll share the link anyways if you want to see it. And if you didn't know that the Internet Archive existed, it's a great little place to search for all sorts of things. So you got categories of the archives that you can go and check out. One of the great features also is the Wayback Machine. If you want to know what a website looked like at a certain time, I'll give an example here at yahoo.com. You enter the website you want to see, and then you'll go and choose in the calendar what year. So let's say that I want to see what Yahoo looked like when I started going on the internet, roughly 1998, I would say, even maybe 97. So let's click 97. So there's an archive on June 9th, 1997 at 1:08 p.m. So you click and you wait, and you will eventually have the website show up. It might be a little slow right now because of the denial of service attacks. I've noticed that a lot of the requests are slower. So this is what Yahoo looked like back then. So it's pretty cool. So the archive.org, or I will of course share the webpage if you want to go and check out all sorts of search for all sorts of clips, movies, and pictures, and whatever you want, and even abandoned software. That's kind of a cool place to go to. And it's really a project of trying to archive the internet as a whole so that you can see what it looked like in the past. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.